What's up, everyone? Welcome to Smart Skills of TV with me, Miri Andole. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to target secret interest on Facebook, all right? How to use secret interest targeting on Facebook. Say you're running Facebook ads or Instagram ads and you're looking to target interest, right? Like you're doing detailed targeting and you're looking to target interest that nobody or only few people know about. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how exactly to achieve that. All right. Now, what is interest? What is targeting? What is Facebook ads targeting? If you're not new to Facebook advertising, of course, you already know what this means. But if you're relatively new to advertising on Facebook or on Instagram, you know that targeting is like the lifeline of your campaign. It's like the lifeline of a successful campaign because it's going to be determining if your ad is going to be successful or not, because it's going to be determining the kind of people that are going to be seeing your ad at the end of the day. It's going to be determining the kind of audience that you get to push your ads to. So targeting the right audience is, of course, very, very important. All right. If you don't have the right audience, even if you have the right creatives, you have everything put together, you still may not be able to achieve the kind of results you're looking to get, because it's just like putting banana in front of dogs because they don't, of course, eat banana, so they are not interested. So you have to ensure to balance your targeting with your ad creatives and copies and everything, and also your offer. All right. So this tutorial is basically for targeting. All right. So if you're new to advertising and would also like to learn how to run Facebook ads profitably and also Instagram ads, there are a couple of videos on this YouTube channel that is going to be showing you how to do all that. All right. I also have a very detailed online course around Facebook and Instagram advertising, and I'm going to be leaving the link to that course and other videos as well, so that you will be able to learn all that you need to learn to run, in learning how to run profitable ads on Facebook. All right. So if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe to our channel so that you will know subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be part of our community here on YouTube, and also be aware when we post similar videos showing you how to leverage the online space to make money online and also to improve your visibility as an individual or as a business person. All right. So let's get straight into it. So this is where the interest, or this is where the targeting process takes place on Facebook, on the Facebook advertising platform. All right. So if you know, the Facebook advertising platform has three levels. We have the ad level, we have the ad set level, and of course we have the ad level. So it is at the ad set level that you get to set your budget, you get to set your audience definition, and you get to do other things like also selecting the places where you want your advert to show on Facebook or on Instagram. All right. So say you have already selected all that you need to select. You've selected where you want your ad to lead to. All right. You've selected the conversion events you want to optimize for. You've fixed your budget and all that. And the next thing you want to do is audience. All right. So this is where everything happens, and what, of course, determines if your ad is going to be successful or not. We are going to be talking in subsequent videos. I'm going to be talking about the different kind of audience targeting you can actually use on Facebook. All right. But this particular training, this particular tutorial is focusing on detailed targeting, because detailed targeting is where you get to select interest that you want to interests that are important to your business. All right. So when we scroll down after of course your it automatically comes down to create new audience when you're looking to create new audiences. All right. So of course you scroll down and then select your location, the age that you want your audience to be, the age range within which you want your audience segment to be in, and then the gender. And here, when it comes to detailed targeting, is where we get to do all that I'm trying to talk about. So usually how people do detailed targeting is that they enter keywords that are related to the interest, that are related to the products or services they are trying to run ads for. Say, for instance, you're trying to run ads for maybe an affiliate marketing training. what a lot of people try to do is to come down to this place where it says interest, and then they type related keywords to, making money online, investments, because all of those interests or all of those keywords, are going to help them get across to people who are likely to be interested in whatever it is that they are trying to advertise. It's the same thing with physical products or whatever kind of products that they are trying to sell. I use that as well, all right? I use that all the time for myself and my clients, and it also works, all right? But most of the times when you come here and you type an interest, you type a keyword related to the product or the service you're looking to, advertise or promote, and then you also click on the suggestion tab here, and get Facebook to give you suggestion that is related to your already certain keyword. you know it is not an exhaustive list. You can only see what it is that is related to what you have typed, but there are actually other interests that you may not actually be seeing there because your scope is actually limited. All right, so let me type something. Is Let me say, for instance, that we are selling bags. All right, let's say, for instance, we are selling Gucci bag now. All right, so I'd come here and then I'll type Gucci. People who are interested in Gucci bag or interested in Gucci generally, so I type Gucci here. Let's see if I'll be able to get anything for that. Okay, so essentially it is not all keywords that are available for targeting on Facebook. There are some keywords that are not available for targeting on Facebook. So you might actually enter something here and you won't get any results, all right? But let's check out something else. Say, for instance, that we are selling wristwatches. Okay. Okay, so for some reason, I'm trying to type in a regular interest, but it's not coming up. But anyways, when you get to this part of your setup, and let's say, for instance, you're selling a physical product and you type a keyword that is related, all right, so type a keyword that is related to whatever it is that you're looking to advertise. All right, so I want to show you how Facebook actually gives you suggestions you can actually use. Okay, so for some reason I'm typing some keywords and I'm not getting any. Okay. So these are basically for digital products. These are basically for, keywords related to digital product. But I'm looking to get keywords related to physical products like wristwatches, shoes, and bags and all that. Because it seems to me that the what I'm about to show you, on how to get this hidden interest may only work for people who sell physical products, all right? But then I think that there is something wrong with my network right now, and that is why I'm not able to get some keywords to actually come up. But regardless, when if you type anything like this, you're supposed to be able to get some, suggestions here, and then you get to click on, the options that you want, and then you get to, use them in your targets and all that. But what happens when you're looking to get more of this kind of interest or more of this kind of keywords? Let's say, for instance, you are not exactly getting what it is you want, and you want to be able to get more of them. There is a tool that I'm going to be showing you how to use shortly. All right. So if you're enjoying this video, kindly click on the like button and like the video so that YouTube can also show it to more people as well. All right, and then also, please, if you have any comments as well, you can also drop them in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer your questions and your concerns. All right, so what I'm going to do is to come down to my Google search, and then I'll type in the tool that I'm looking to use. It's called scout.facebook. So scout.facebook actually helps you to get hidden interest that you may not actually be that may not be visible on the detailed targeting session of, the Facebook advert set up. All right, so when you come to Google, you type scout plus Facebook, and then you will be able to, type in those keywords that you want to use, a keyword that is related to whatever it is that you're looking to advertise, and then, you know Scout.facebook is now going to populate your search with the different other kind of interests that you can use on Facebook. All right. So all you just need to do, it's actually a search engine, right? So it's a free Facebook interest targeting tool. So all you need to do is to come to Google and then type Scout.facebook, and then it will bring you here to its homepage. And what you're going to be able to do at first is to sign in. All right. So you sign in, it gives you directly to sign in, which is actually very simple to do. So once you're signed in, you just, it brings you to this search button here, where you can actually enter the different interests that you're actually looking to I had actually searched for bracelets before now. So let's see what happens if I'll still be able to get other kind of interest related to bracelets that we can use in our targeting. All right. All right, so let's just wait for this to load. So once you enter a search term, it just loads, and then it's supposed to give you more ideas to use in your targeting. And one good thing about this is that it also gives you the number, like it gives you the amount of people that are actually within that audience, so that you can know if the size is good for you or not. All right, so let's go down and see. All right, so you can see we have this. So we have bracelets, and then we have tailspin bracelets. So I'm going to be copying this tailspin bracelet, and then I'll take it back to our Facebook ad set and see if we can find it. All right, let's see if we can find it, and then use it for our targeting. So I'd enter it like this and see if Facebook is going to be giving us any results. So I'm thinking probably it's still my network issue that is making it not to come up. All right. But if this is actually available for targeting, Facebook is going to bring it up immediately, and then you can just click on it, and then it, adds up to, the interest that you're looking to target. All right. So let's go look for another one. Okay. So this are just the options we have for bracelets. So let's look for some other keyword. So let's look for some other keywords. Let's say smartwatch. Okay, smartwatch, and then let's search. Then we scroll down, and we are going to be seeing all these keywords here, and the audience size. Okay, audience size lower bound, audience size upper bound, then the topic under which they fall. So now, so if you're able to target all of these interests, say you're selling smartwatches and you're able to target people that are interested in all of these keywords, it means that your product is actually before the right kind of people. All right. So that is what it basically means. That is what interest targeting actually helps you to achieve. So we have come back to this place, and then let's enter those interests we have just find and see if we can actually get them. All right. So like I said, it seems to me that my network is actually acting up this evening. All right. So if all of these interests are available, which they are actually, it's actually supposed to be available, because this is already showing us that it's available. Because what this tool actually does is that it searches, I think it works with Facebook or whatever it is, but then they are able to get those keywords, those hidden keywords that people are not going to be easily getting on the detail targeting tool on the ads manager. So coming to search here, it gives you an idea of tools that you can of keywords that you can actually work with. So I believe that if you're doing all right, so sorry about that, please. So that is actually how to get hidden interest with Facebook on that you can actually use to target people on Facebook. Now there's another way to actually do this, and it is to use the Facebook platform itself. All right. You can use the Facebook platform itself to do your audience research or your interest targeting research. And one of the ways to actually do that is to log into your Facebook and use the search button. All right. So use the search bar to type for interest. And how do you do this? You can just type in a keyword. All right. So in this case, it is no longer interest targeting. It may not actually be interest targeting anymore. It is now another kind of targeting, which okay, I'm trying to remember the name now, but it is no longer interest targeting because this one involves targeting pages, popular influencers and all that are actually available for targeting on Facebook. So how you do this is actually very simple. So you just come to your Facebook account and then you go to the search bar. All right, so sorry about that. My network keeps acting up. It just keeps acting up. So, anyways, it's actually very simple to do. Just come down to Facebook and you can enter a similar interest or a similar keyword for the products you're looking to advertise, and then you get a couple of responses from Facebook. And all you just need to do is to look out those those searches, those search results you get, and then use it for your type.